Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about HAVN HS420, a ultimate PC case for performance enthusiasts. So friend, the HAVN team has been assembled from the all corners of the PC industry and its member hail from the product design and engineering department of brands such as Fractal, NZXT, Master, Sapphire and many more, and their first finished work with result of over 2 years of development and thermal simulations, prototyping, and street test by the system expert of PGG with member of Caseking. So friend, the HS420 and HS420 VGPU stand out with a tailor-made hybrid structure delivering a high volume of central GPU airflow within a full panorama view, dual chamber design, and all while maintaining a traditional mid-tower ratio and footprint, and it is built for the most powerful fans and radiator on the market and comes with number of features that enthusiasts will want to explore. Airflow optimization, custom panel ventilation, ideal for 140 fans and 11 fan slot in total, and up to 420 radiator on the top, bottom and side, and heat from unique sheet glass panel for panoramic view and engineered to be flatter and with a smaller radius to minimize visual distortion, and initiative simplicable routing system and fan hub organize your cables cleanly and discreetly, and customizable space for combine of storage, fans, radiator, and portable display up to 14-inch where some mount include, and vertical GPU kit which include an angle bottom, fan bracket, and glass airflow guide and mount kit for PCI 5.0 into 16 riser cable, and vibration isolation. All fan bracket have flexible rubber pads and to isolate the bracket from the chassis and avoid reasons built up. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.